Are you a student looking for ways to earn pocket money without investment? It's a common quest, but often a tricky one. In this day and age, the digital world provides a plethora of opportunities to earn, and the best part? You don't need to invest a penny. Whether you're saving for textbooks or just want a little extra for the weekend, earning online can be a game changer. Stay tuned as we explore some of the best platforms where you can start earning today. Let's kick off with some useful mobile apps which can help you earn that extra cash. Picture this. You're lounging on your couch, scrolling through your phone and making money. Sounds too good to be true? Not with apps like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie. Swagbucks rewards you with points for shopping online, searching the web, answering surveys, and watching entertaining videos. Convert these points into cash or gift cards, and voila, you've got some extra spending money. Inbox Dollars, on the other hand, pays you in cold hard cash for completing surveys, watching TV, or even shopping. It's as easy as pie. And then there's Survey Junkie. This one's a goldmine for survey enthusiasts. Share your opinion on various topics and get paid. The best part about these apps? They require no investment, and you can squeeze in these tasks during your free time. Amazing, isn't it? But that's not all. There are websites too. Now, moving on to some of the websites that offer similar opportunities. Let's start with Freelancer, a hub where you can bid on projects that match your skills. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or coder, there's a project waiting for you. Next is Upwork, another great platform where you can connect with clients looking for your expertise. Here, you can either apply to jobs posted by clients or let clients reach out to you directly. And lastly, we have Fiverr. Unlike the first two, on Fiverr, you create a gig showcasing your services and set your own price. Clients then browse through these gigs and hire based on their needs. All these platforms are simple to use and free to join. They offer a flexible way for students to use their skills to earn money. And the best part, you're not just earning but also building a portfolio in your field. With these websites, not only can you earn some pocket money, but also gain valuable experience in your field of interest. So, as you see, there are numerous opportunities online for students to earn money without any investment. It's not just about the income, it's about learning practical skills, managing finances, and gaining independence. The apps and websites we discussed not only provide a platform to earn, but also to learn and grow. The benefits are endless. So why wait? Start exploring these platforms and begin your journey to earn while you learn. And don't forget to subscribe for more such informative videos.